So these here are the Facebook portals, and the key question is, which one is better, the smaller one or the larger one? To be honest, they're literally the same exact thing. There's no distinction that's different between the two other than the bulkiness of this one here. Now granted, you do get a wider screen that you can go ahead and rotate like this, but literally that does not serve any purpose at all other than just aesthetically appealing. Now I have to say, in terms of price difference, that this one here is the better bet, and in particularly they're both very young into the market, meaning they still have a lot of different distinctions in terms of flaws. Now this one here has a larger speaker, which does serve a great purpose in terms of listening to music, but other than that there really isn't any difference between the two. Now they do have the same buttons on the top. This one here has a touch sensor button, whereas this has a physical button, but otherwise there's no really key distinction. Now they both have the same camera in there, so they do the same thing in terms of maneuvering or kind of focusing on different subjects at the same time. I feel like this might be the better bet if you're looking at the Facebook portal, just because you can go ahead and put it anywhere and it doesn't take much room and it doesn't look like an unbuilt laptop. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you had any questions about the two devices, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.